My darling, the coordinates are just right, my darling. The coordinates for what, my girl? It's 6 in the morning, my darling. The coordinates to get to the dresser drawers and grab a brush and brush my hair, darling. Darling, it's 6 in the morning. Do you think I care about those coordinates right now, my darling? Well, I have to brush my hair, darling. You should care, darling. I'm doing TikTok videos now, darling. Well, come on, darling, TikTok videos. How could you say that, my darling? It's 6 in the morning, my darling. You know what? I got a brush. I've got my TikTok videos. I can do anything, and I feel glad that I'm. Well, darling, I need to sleep, darling. Marco, come on, come on, Marco, come on,